so those were just my Ritz crackers, the original, and I laid them all upside down. Now I'm gonna come in with my heated up refried beans. I just put it back in the can for show, and we're just gonna grab a little scoop and put it right on top of that Ritz cracker, just like so. Not too much, maybe about half a tablespoon on each one. This is gonna be a super easy and delicious little appetizer, perfect for football. That's football season that's coming up. Perfect little Thanksgiving appetizer, whatever you wanna make them for, they are gonna be a hit because they're easy and delicious. You can throw them together right before a party within seconds. Okay, let's go ahead and finish up fitting this refried beans on each one. Almost done, just get those last two covered in beans. Perfect. All right, you guys, our next step is gonna be some queso sauce. You can use whatever cheese sauce you want. You can even use a shredded cheese, but we are just going to get a nice little cheese, just like that on each one. I like using the squeezy bottle because it just is more controlled than if you got like the canned cheese or the jarred cheese. Obviously shredded cheese would be ideal, but these are gonna be ready to eat right away. No melting, no nothing. So the cheese sauce is my preferred cheese for this. Ooh, these are gonna be so good. If you like tostadas, you will love these. Okay, get that last one covered in cheese. Ooh, those look so delicious. We're almost done here, you guys. I'm gonna come in with some shredded lettuce, and we are gonna put some lettuce on each one of these. Just use your hands, make sure they're clean, and pile it on. Get a nice little freshness to this. It's gonna go so well with the beans and the cheese. It's gonna be delicious. It is gonna be an actual mini tostada. And that's why you gotta heat up those beans so that it is nice and warm and delicious, but it still has that crunch from the Ritz cracker. You could even use, actual tortilla chips for this if you'd like, but I love the Ritz cracker because it's nice and salty and so easy to just plop in your mouth. Okay, finish this up real quick. All right, last one. Yummy. Almost done here, you guys. I have some pico, and we're just gonna do a nice little pico right on top. Get it where you can. The good thing is you can kind of just like sprinkle it on top of the whole entire platter, and each one will get a little bit on top. However you want to do it. It's optional. You could just do diced tomatoes if you don't want the onion, but I personally love me some pico, so that's why I got this pico already made from the store. It's delicious and flavorful. Adds a great little juiciness to our mini tostada appetizers. Oh my goodness, look how beautiful and bright these look. These are so fun. I cannot wait to eat these up while I'm watching the game later today. Okay, get our last few bits of tomatoes on there. And then we have one more ingredient, which is totally optional, but you guys know I love it spicy. So I have some fresh jalapenos, and we're just gonna put a little jalapeno on each one of our crackers. Oh my goodness, look how delicious these look. The jalapenos really just add that extra little oomph to it and make it the perfect appetizer. And you can always do some with jalapenos, some without, so the people that like spicy can get their spice, and then the people that don't like it can get one without jalapenos. But you can make these however you like. That's the best part of this recipe. Everything is customizable to your liking. No onion, no jalapeno, go for it. But for me, I love them both, and this is gonna be such a tasty and easy appetizer. Okay, let's finish these off. I wonder if I even have enough for all of these. I cut up about 3 fresh jalapenos, and it looks like we're gonna have a few without them, but that's okay because some people don't like spicy. And there you go, an easy game day appetizer. Let's go ahead and try one. I'm gonna get one with a jalapeno, and you can just pop the whole thing in your mouth. So good.